Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aneke Powell. I am an Amazon influencer, and today's video is all about Amazon influencer program for a complete beginner if you just getting started, or if you like to earn from home. You can hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, that whenever I upload a content you will be the first to see. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the Amazon influencer program, it's beginner friendly and it is easy to get in. So about the Amazon influencer is where you create shoppable video or photo and you upload these to your storefront, and these will be linked on Amazon to the product, and whenever persons go on Amazon to buy, they will have access to these videos so they can see more about the product. And once they watch your video and make a purchase after watching your video, whether of that particular product or any other product, you earn a commission, which is also called on-site commission, or some people may call it passive income, because this is continually over and over without you have to do anything. So how would you like to get started? First, you must have a social media present, either TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, one of the four. That's what Amazon require. You must have a following. You also must have engagement on your post. Once you have your social media, etc., you can go on Google, type in the Amazon influencer in the search bar. Once the first Amazon influencer come up, you click on it, you go straight to the sign up page, click on the sign up. Once you sign up, it will prompt you to go. If you have an Amazon account, you can log into your existing one or you create a new one. Once you finish that step, it carries straight to authorize and allow one of your social media accounts. Once you authorize and allow one of your social media accounts, whether your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, it will now collect the data from your account. Once it collects the data, then it will take you straight back whether you approve or you've been denied. If you approve, you get a specific link that can add into your social media account bio, and you can also go ahead to create out your storefront, like uploading your photo and create short bio about yourself, create idea list, etc. The second part in the program is where you are going to now get approved for on-site commission. This is the sweet spot, guys. This is where you don't need a social media account to make money. This is directly on Amazon. So once you need 3 video, so 3 different products, right, and video of those individually. Once you create those video, you upload them and you will be approved or denied. You have 3 chances also in order to be approved for the on-site commission. If those 3 chances are out, guys, you would have to go right over again and do it over and create a next account, etc. But to create this video is super easy. All you have to do, if the product is a shoes or a fan, etc., say like this shape of a clothes, you tell them what you like. So I like how easy it is to use, and I like that holding it is not so hard. It's easy to turn on and easy to handle, stuff like that, and I definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking. This remove all the lint from your clothes and make your clothes look like brand new again. Something short like that for 30 seconds, guys, or 60 seconds. Once you do that, upload the video, you will have probably, and it don't take probably like 2 weeks, so, and then you have to use a computer in order to see if you are approved or disapproved, guys. Once you do that and you are approved, you can go ahead and look around, use your phone with the little camera thing in the Amazon app, and you can scan product like even this or this very mic that I have, and see if it sell on Amazon, and you can still create a 30-second to 60-second video and upload, and this is where you will see passive income, guys, as you go along. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It takes time. If you would like to know anything else or you have any question, please comment in the comment section. I will answer and I will help you further. In a next video, I will upload the rest of detail about the Amazon influencer program. You can also let me know which other video you would like to see about the Amazon influencer program, or I have knowledge a little into Amazon KDP because I create two planners so far with the Amazon KDP, so I know a little about that. So either the Amazon influencer program or the Amazon KDP, any one of those, guys. Until our next video, guys, see you, love you. Comment in the comment section what you would like to see next.